Meaning of incisively.
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 Incisively. The word incisively is an adverb that refers to the ability to cut through something precisely and decisively. It describes a person or action that is able to get to the heart of a matter quickly and effectively. Someone who communicates incisively is able to express their ideas with clarity and directness, leaving little room for confusion or uncertainty. The result of being incisive is that a complex idea can be simplified and distilled into its most important components, allowing for greater understanding and focus on key issues.